Guys, if your basics of English language are clear, but you still do not know anything about IELTS preparation, this video is certainly for you. So guys, in this session, I am going to talk about the preparation plan, and that too only for 4 weeks. So in 4 weeks, you can easily score your desired marks, and that too only with 2.5 hours a day. So yes, you heard it right. 2 hours 30 minutes a day you have to devote on a daily basis. I know most of you are working, or even if you are not working, you are spending so much time on studies, so you are not even getting the benefit of it. So what exactly are we going to do in this 1 month or 4 weeks? So first of all, this preparation plan is for 6 days a week, Monday to Saturday. So we'll be starting with Monday, like from Monday, and we'll do until Saturday. Guys, Sundays will always be off. I won't say totally off, but virtually off. Why so? Because Sundays को हम लोग करेंगे only some reading part. Only reading part, not as in practice, only reading some essays and cue cards, nothing else. So guys, let us get started. So first of all, Monday and Tuesday. So we are going to do 2 modules a day. देखो, there is no point you are doing 4 modules a day, but you are unable to understand either of these 4. So it's better you do only 2 modules a day. So we'll be starting with Monday, and on Monday we are going to do 1 reading and 1 writing task too. Okay? Tuesday also will be the same, 1 reading and 1 writing task too. You must be thinking, ma'am, these are less. I'll tell you how these are not less. So first of all, जब हम Monday को reading कर रहे हैं, that we are going to do in the morning itself. So in the morning we are like rejuvenated, we are already re-energized, and that time we can practice reading, because at times while reading we feel bored, है ना? We feel bored. So that's what we are not going to do. So अब हम क्या करेंगे कि morning में ही will be doing reading, and in the morning time we are going to spend 1 hour on reading. But that's not all. So you have already done reading, and you realize that you got 30 out of 40 on Monday, but 25 out of 40 on Tuesday. So after doing reading for an hour, you will be spending 30 more minutes. So in those 30 minutes, you are going to do the analysis of these wrong questions. So on day 1, you got 10 questions wrong. So in the 30 minutes time frame, you will be seeing why those 10 questions were wrong, and whereas on Tuesday 15 questions were wrong, which is a big deal indeed. So what will you be doing? वो 15 questions देखोगे कि why these 15 are wrong. So point is, we are going to do smart work only. We'll not be doing 2 readings or 3 readings a day. Even if we are doing 1, we have to analyze our mistakes, and it will help you a lot. I am going to tell you the way this will benefit you immensely. So you have already done reading in the morning time. ठीक है? So reading हो गई, reading को analysis भी करा. Look at your mistakes, look at the question कि why this question was wrong. Analyze करो, okay, this was wrong because I did not understand this particular sentence properly, or this particular question was wrong because I was unable to understand the difficult words. For difficult words, I have this series, reading vocabulary, part 1, part 2, part 3. So please go through that. That will help you a lot. Now reading हो गई, but now in the evening, 1.5 hours in the morning, 1 hour in the evening. So अब जो 1 hour evening में है, उसमें what exactly will I be doing? So 1 hour जो evening वाला schedule है, that time I am going to do writing task 2 in 40 minutes. So I have the question in front of me. I'll be practicing writing task 2 in 40 minutes. So once that is done, not more than 40 minutes. Guys, one thing is there. If you are practicing something, practice it under proper exam conditions. I have seen students doing really well while they were practicing at home, but when they appeared in examination, they did worst or they did pathetic. So that's what I don't want you for you. So इसीलिए जब भी करो proper exam conditions में करो. So you are going to attempt an essay right now. 40 minutes में you will be doing now. Once it is done, in the next 20 minutes, पूरा essay हो गया, you are going to check your answer. Proof checking तो is already included in the 40 minutes time frame that you already know last 5 minutes. But now is सब कुछ done हो गया, you are going to analyze your mistakes. अब वो कैसे करोगे? देखो, if you are facing so many problems in grammar, use the Grammarly app for grammar mistakes. Type your answer and use the Grammarly application. It will tell you some of the things totally for free. For example, punctuation, basic tenses, and that is actually good. Okay, so that is for free, so go and check there. But अगर आपको ग्रामर की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती, जैसा कि मैंने बोला, if your basics of English language are clear, then I would request you to look at the question again, see whether you have fulfilled the task response, whether you understood the question properly and you have written everything logically, everything coherently, was your essay out of context, ये चेक करो. अब जो भी मिस्टेक होती है, राइट डाउन इन अ कॉपी, एक नोटबुक बनाओ जो है आपकी परफॉर्मेंस नोटबुक, और अ परफॉर्मेंस शीट वुड ऑल्सो सफाइज. सो वहां पे मेंशन करो कि रीडिंग में आपके गलत थे तो इतने गलत थे, और मेजर प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, वोकैबुलरी और अंडरस्टैंडिंग. वेयर एज इन राइटिंग अगर प्रॉब्लम थी तो क्या थी, राइट इट डाउन सो दैट नेक्स्ट डे यू आर गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर मिस्टेक. So now I have already explained the routine for Monday and Tuesday. I'll tell you one more thing. Monday, Tuesday and Thursday, Friday. These 4 days are totally the same. Monday, Tuesday को भी यही same thing follow करनी है, and Thursday, Friday को भी. Now coming to Wednesday and Saturday. So what will we be doing? Some modules are left, guys. We are going to do 2 listenings and 1 writing task 1. So 2 listenings in the morning, 1 hour for listening module. 2 listenings will be able to finish in 1 hour. After finishing, we are going to analyze our mistakes in the next 30 minutes. Same method, 1.5 hours in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. So now 2 listenings are done. We have analyzed our mistakes. We have got to know कि I did some spelling mistakes or I did some grammatical mistakes. Take care of that. So वो लिख लेना है नोटबुक में कि this was the mistake on Wednesday and the same on or the similar mistakes on Saturday. So you are going to write down. Now in the evening you are going to spend only 1 hour. Merely 1 hour, guys. It is more than enough. You will be doing one writing task 1 under proper exam conditions. As in प्रॉपर एग्जाम कंडीशंस मतलब ओनली 20 मिनट्स में आपने करना है, नॉट मोर देन 20 मिनट्स, वरना एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम होगी. सो 20 मिनट्स में वंस दिस इज ओवर यू आर गोइंग टू नाउ एनालाइज योर मिस्टेक्स इन द नेक्स्ट 20 मिनट्स. सो नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग एनालाइज भी कर ली मिस्टेक्स, टास्क भी कर लिया, एंड वी आर डन. स्टिल 20 मिनट्स आर लेफ्ट. सो गाइज ये जो 20 मिनट्स बचे हैं ना, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. सो यू कैन prepare a cue card and record yourself on Wednesday and Saturday. So this is the way you are going to have your plan. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, reading and writing task 2. Wednesday and Saturdays, 2 listening, 1 writing task 1 and 1 speaking को record करो. And guys, this is more than enough. You must be thinking कि by the end of 4 weeks or by the end of 1 month, you have done 16 readings, 16 writing task 2, 16 listenings and 8 writing task 1. Along with this, आपने क्यू कार्ड्स भी करे हैं, ठीक है, and that too 8, which you have recorded, practice, so that is a good thing. But now थोड़ी सी और प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है. तो संडे को we are not going to write anything, will not be practicing anything, we'll just go through some essays. We'll read 10 essays as well as 10 cue cards. So by the end of 4 weeks, we would have already read 40 cue cards and 40 essays, and I'm sure this is going to do perfect for you. Guys, now last but not the least, I believe आप सब लोगों में से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स होंगे जिनके माइंड में क्वेश्चन होगा कि मैम everything is fine but only 16 readings. Guys, your basics are clear. Another thing, you are doing smart work, not hard work. If you're doing 16 readings in this manner, it is equivalent to 30 readings by doing hard work. So you are just doing reading, you are not analyzing your mistake, that is good for nothing. So 16 readings are more than enough if you are doing smart work, if you are analyzing your mistakes properly. Look at the question, see why the answer was wrong. Look at the statement in the passage and then you will understand everything clearly. So guys, I'm sure this preparation plan of 1 month is going to do a wonderful job for each one of you. So do let me know in the comment section if it is really working for you. Thanks a lot for watching me today. See you again with an amazing video of mine. Bye bye.